A drive from the gateway of India in Mumbai to India Gate in Delhi, touching some equally important landmarks on the way in the fastest possible time in the all-new Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. The first leg of the drive just got over here in Surat, and we are at the magnificent and massive Surat Diamond Bourse, the largest office complex made anywhere in the world. It's going to be a really interesting day tomorrow as we head north towards Vadodara, experiencing the latest set of German engineering available right here in India. So stay tuned for all the action. The Volkswagen Experiences is back, and this time it's with the new flagship of the German brand in India, the Tiguan R-Line. The gateway provided for a perfect setting for the drive to kick off, and now it was our turn to take over and hit some more Gujarat highways. It's always nice to drive as a part of a convoy. You just feel as a part of a larger group. It gives you more confidence, and some beautiful looking Tiguans in front of me and behind me as well are just adding to the entire experience. The driver-oriented cockpit with the touchscreen angled towards the driver and a massive 15.1-inch touchscreen, or the really cool-looking sports seats with a massage function, or even the leather-wrapped steering wheel, every aspect in the cabin just seems perfect. With the new generation and a bigger car, the road presence of the Tiguan has definitely enhanced, more so with the R-Line version with its specific special design elements. So on the front, on the profile, on the rear, doesn't matter from which angle you look at the car, it does look really premium as well as sporty. It is out there to turn heads on the roads, and we've seen that multiple times today on this drive. Of course, we are headed north towards Vadodara, but not before a really important detour. A detour to a very significant place that is fast becoming one of the most iconic and most visited places across the country. Yes, you have guessed it right. It is the Statue of Unity, and I can't wait to get there. It is my first time, and going there in the comforts of a car like the Tiguan R-Line makes it even more special. Can't wait to get there. Some beautiful landmarks on the way right now, crossing the Narmada River, an equally iconic part of our country. As we get near the statue, the infra around Kevadia is impressive, and a convoy of Tiguans driving around is a sight indeed. A symbol of unity, the iconic Statue of Unity. Talk about stature, there is no better place than this, right here on the banks of River Narmada in Gujarat. Talking about stature, the Tiguan has grown too. It's become bigger in size, and with this R-Line version, it definitely looks much more sportier than earlier. So there are less edges, more curves, and you tend to like that. But the sporty bits, some of them I really like. For example, the R-style bumpers here with the honeycomb pattern merge beautifully with the chrome down below. And look at these nice R badges all over the car, lend the car an exclusive appeal. The 3D LED rear combination lamps are indeed a class apart, and so is the ambient light display on the dash, which can be customized for that exclusive touch. Subtle use of chrome around the power window switches and on door handles are complemented nicely by the metal pedals and various R-Line badges. Back on the road, and the final stretch of the day wasn't really long, but some empty state highways gave us the chance to sample the R-Line and its drivetrain in a more comprehensive manner. If you're someone who loves to drive, you really have to experience the Tiguan. It's a car that really keeps you engaged all the time with its fantastic steering wheel that provides adequate feedback and response. The engine as well is quite responsive, and it is refined as well. So of course there's no dearth of power and torque, and it is available at the perfect RPM bands. And then there is the 7-speed DSG, and this combination works really well all the time. Doesn't matter if you're driving in the city or out on the fast highways. The Dynamic Chassis Control Pro has to be the highlight on this Tiguan R-Line. Now in India, when we're driving, and we've seen this today multiple times, the road conditions change quite fast. So you're driving on a nice, fast, smooth highway, and suddenly you get a bumpy patch of the road. Suddenly there's another patch where there's no road at all. And this car adapts so well to all these changing road conditions because of this particular feature.
It really enhances the handling capability of the SUV, limits body roll to ensure you have the maximum fun while driving this car. With so many drive modes to choose from, you can always find that perfect character you want from a car like the Tiguan R-Line. And with this new and unique multi-purpose rotary dial next to me, it is really easy to switch between these drive modes, which makes it safer as well as convenient for the driver. A big change on this new Tiguan is the introduction of more than 20 level 2 ADAS functions, and these really contribute in making your drive much more confident and definitely safer. On clearly marked lanes, it works beautifully, warns you when there's a need, intervenes as well when there's a dire need to keep you safe, and overall keeps all the occupants inside your car in absolute safety.
So it is just apt to call the new Tiguan R-Line that ideal set of wheels that will always bring a smile on your face. The convoy rolled into our destination for the day, bringing an end to a lovely time behind the wheels of this brand new SUV.
So here we are in a car that's as quick as the Volkswagen Tiguan. It hasn't taken us too much time to reach Vadodara from Surat. And look at this behind me, the magnificent Lakshmi Vilas Palace, the home to the royal family of Vadodara for a long time now. And this is a prime example of what great design can do to a structure. This design is timeless, and so is the design on the Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line, a design you will fall in love with over and over again. So that's it then. That's our journey from Surat to Vadodara on leg 2 of this special Volkswagen Experiences journey from Mumbai to Delhi. As my colleagues from the auto industry take over and do the next leg, I wish them all the best for a great journey ahead.